To assess how different milks and alternative liquids affect soap characteristics, I thought I'd run an experiment. I'm making a bunch of 100% coconut oil soaps, replacing 50% of the water content with a range of liquid substitutes and seeing how these additives affect the final soap. I'm Rox. Let's get cracking. I'm testing cow's milk in soap today. I'm not sure why goat milk gets all the attention because comparing the values that matter most when making soap, cow's milk looks better than goat's milk on paper. It contains both more fat and more sugar than goat's milk, and this should really contribute to lather and conditioning. I pop the milk into the oil and give it a blast with the blender. Then add the lye and whiz it up to a nice emulsion. Into the mould and off to somewhere warm to saponify. I'm unmoulding this after less than 6 hours. It's really hard and I was afraid I wouldn't be able to cut it if I left it overnight. It's a lovely smooth soap, very white, waxy, glossy and solid. Let me grab a bowl of warm water and get it tested. Because it's so hard, the outer layer needs to get thoroughly wet to solubilise a bit first, but then I'm getting profuse, medium-sized glistening bubbles, lots of them. Working the lather, it's going wonderfully creamy, so it gets my vote. Doesn't feel drying either. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this progresses as it cures. I'll test it again in a couple of weeks. Okay, so that's our cow's milk soap done. Join me again next time when I'll be experimenting with something else. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta!